It's raining a little hard. Jordan's parking the car. It's really coming down. Oh my. Here he comes. Hi, babe.
A little wet.
Painted my nails for Disneyland. So Jordan actually had a really good idea of adding little dots, which they don't look too great on this hand, but adding little dots to the bow, and I actually really like it. It's really cute. Good morning and happy Vlogmas Day 11. So the day is finally here. We are getting ready to go to Disneyland. I'm so excited. We actually don't go to Disneyland until tomorrow, but we're driving up today. And that way we don't have to worry about leaving super early. It's 10 o'clock right now. So Jordan and I are gonna leave in a little bit to take one of the dogs to his grandma's house so that she can watch her while we're gone. Hey, girlfriend.
She get a little antsy. She gets a little antsy. Oh, she likes the neck scratches. Oh, she likes the neck scratches. She said, oh yeah, that's the spot right there. Right there. Okay, you got, there you go. Get it, Zoe, get it. Get it, Zoe, get it. Get it, Zoe, get it. Get it, Zoe, get it.